Hello, well, welcome back. I hope you're all well. I dragged this mower out of a skip back in November. Just let me move that a bit. There we go. Yeah, I dragged this out of a skip back in November, and it was upside down. The skip been there for several days, I think a week like it. And the only reason I got it out is because I wanted the grass box. This is the bigger version of mine, and Louis' one as well. And Louis needed a grass box, so the grass box was like new, so I took it out. Obviously I asked permission to take it out the skip. It was on the bloke's drive. Be very aware of taking stuff out of skips that you can get nicked for theft. Once it's in the skip, basically it belongs to the company, so if you can't get permission off the owner, you need permission off the skip company, because they will nick you for taking, even if it's a bag of dog poo, they can still nick you for theft. So just be aware of it. And obviously if you're putting this on us, a lot of you who do a bit of skip diving on who watch my channel, just be a bit wary when you're putting it on YouTube, not to put the company on the skip on it if you're nicking it, because they can do you. And I know people are going to say it's a load of bollocks, but my missus worked for a waste management company, or a skip company I should say, for over 25 years. One of the big ones in the country. So yeah, I did know people getting nicked for taking things out of skips. So just be a bit careful. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying don't do it. I think we all do it, but you don't do it. You know what I'm saying? Right now, all I want to know is this going to be the mower? Because it's February now. I've never tried it. I pulled it about this much. The lever. That's about as much as I pulled it over when I got it in November, and it was all covered in crap. You can probably see some of it there now, but the rain's washed it off. Now every time I've done one of these to see if we can get something started, it's started. So this is going to be the final, the one was going to do it, you know. We're not going to get it started. There's only one way to find out. I'm going to keep the camera running. I've got some coal cleaner up there and a screwdriver for the air filter. This air filter's the right way round on it. We've got a dry tank, or dryage tank, yeah, dry tank, and it's got rust in the bottom. There's a little drop of water in the bottom, and the tank's gone a little bit funny where the water is. So let's see if we can get it a start. I hope you can see it okay. Look, this petrol is from, oh I don't know, sometime last summer. That looks a bit wet, a bit, you know, might have a bit of water in there. I've no idea if it runs, doesn't run, water's chucked in the skip. No idea. So we'll just try it, shall we? I'm hoping it don't run. Or it runs really, really bad. And at least we can play with it then. Every time last year I tried to do one, oh, and it's got bugger all oil in it. I thought it was over full, but obviously because that's upside down and I brought it back. Oh no, it has now. Oh, well, I don't think he's got a lot of oil in it. He's either got a lot or he's got none in it, because when I did it, might be when I just moved it back. I think it must be over full. That's weird. I haven't turned it over, I've only sort of turned it that far, so I'm going to give it a go. Right. It's priming. Just feel. Another thing with these, it says 3, always give it 5 or more, but make sure they're full pumps like now, they're pumped up. That petrol actually smells stylish shit. Right, I don't think you can see the bolt, so it's only just on there together. We'll pull the lever up. Mine I've buggered off because he got so much crap in the way. And this is the first time I've tried it, okay? You see you put petrol in it. Let's see what happens. It's got a lot of stuff underneath it. Oh, it's for another thing, it's always wear gloves if you're touching underneath one of these, because I know for this house had dogs, you know, and you always get dog shit and flies and maggots on the bottom of these. Anyway, my name. bastard. I was hoping that wasn't going to start. Oh dear. What we got to do to get on what won't start? It is obviously well full of O-filled oil, and it's burning. I don't know if you can see the smoke. It's starting to burn it off. Yeah, well now we know it runs. I can turn this off. Right, I've just got a bit of cloth. Milo's trying to get a stick from underneath it. Right, I just want to check this oil. I can't believe the bloody thing started. I think that's going to be over. Now, all these classic engines and that, they hold 600 millilitres, 0.6 of a litre. I watch so many videos now where they do mowers every time, but every time they measure it out, well, I don't know how much it takes. To tell the truth, it takes 600 ml from empty. Yeah, see, I can see it. It is on minimum, and I have walked down the garage, got a bit of paper, we're going this time, and it can say, no, it's on bare minimum, well it's under minimum, yeah, it needs oil, but I don't care, I'm only going to run it to, they'll either seize or burn the oil off first, so should we burn some oil off? Hang on. Right, let's burn some oil off. I don't care if it's... So I think it'll be alright anyway. These bloody things run dry. Starts to rattle, I'll switch it off. Well, it only took a few seconds, as you see, to burn off. Oh, I am bloody disappointed. I really am. What have we got to do to get one that won't run? Have an expensive one we get, and then it won't run. Ah, right. Let's go into warm. Now, right. I really wanted that not to work, because I'll tell you the reason I'm querying myself about this, and it's really getting on my nerves. I watch a lot of mower channels, as you know, because that's what I do for a living. I've repaired mowers. I'm a small engine mechanic. Been doing it lots of most of my life, and I've been watching people on YouTube saying, will it start? And you go and they don't start, they take the carbs off, they fuck ass about. Why is it I'm starting them every time? You heard that, I don't know what it was, the second, third pull, and then the second time I went back to it, pulled. I know I've got a technique of starting mowers, I put them at the right speed, I've been doing it all my life, and it does make a difference. It really does make a difference to somebody who maybe starts a mower once every blue moon. That's the first mower I've started since, I guess, about November time anyway, because I cut the last bit of grass beginning of December. So it's not something I do every day. I have got a knack, you know, because habit, it's the right speed. But explain to me, why all these mower channels? Because saying these mowers won't start and they're stripping the carbs down. Are they whipping their little lead round so it's shorting through the coil on the earth to make a video? I don't think so. I think most of the ones I watch I can trust. I'd like to think so. But it's just, you know what I'm saying? Why is it that everything I've tried to start will start? Okay, my mower, what I did last year, and Louis' one, we had to put a little bit of spray down for the just to lubricate the diaphragm. Once it was lubricated, it ran perfect. Didn't have to do a carb rebuild. Nothing like that's a dog when they go back in. Milo, come down here. It's just worrying. Well, not worrying me. I just find it concerning that I've started everything this year. Like I say, it could be just luck, coincidence, whatever. But I do it for content. I mean, I haven't thought of it. I'm just thinking as I'm sitting here talking to you, because I'm thinking to myself, you must think I start these bloody things before, get them started. I'm not, because I really want to do a video where I do have to strip the bloody thing down and get it started and find the problem. Or is it these people, are some of these people fiddling with the mower so they don't start, or are some of these people just haven't got the technique, the right speed? I don't know. It's starting to worry me a bit, because you're going to watch my videos, you can go right back to last year and watch some of the mowers I've started, and my mowers were here, my own personal ones stay outside all year round, and it's very rare they get serviced. Mine this year I was going to do it on video and I forgot. I'll do that, but I'll tell you something now. I did a cold start the other day in the snow and the ice on my mower. I pumped it up, and it's old petrol and everything last year, and I started it up and it started first pull, covered in snow, and I'm still thinking to myself, because I filmed it and I thought, I can't put that on a cold start or whatever, because you won't believe me. I don't know what it is. And who said them BS engines won't bloody start? And then them diaphragms are always knackered. I've had diaphragms on mowers for 20 odd years. Stop using the shit ones, use genuine diaphragms. That's all I've got to say. Well, anyway, I don't want to turn into a bit of a rant, even though I'm a bit sort of cheesed off and I'm starting thinking about things. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy. Remember, it's okay not to be okay. And see you next time. Bye for now.